Hi there, welcome to another video of Just Being Earnest. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how does Riverstone Holdings make money. This video will be interesting to you if you want to find out how important is the role of companies like Riverstone Holdings have during this virus crisis. And if you have not heard of them before, then this video will give you better insights into how they make money. Before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the video. This is a summary of Riverstone Holdings. Riverstone Holdings was actually established in 1989 in Malaysia and eventually was listed on the main box of the Singapore Stock Exchange in 2006. Their two main sources of revenue comes from the high-tech cleanroom glove and also the healthcare glove. Besides glove, they also manufacture finger cords, cleanroom packaging, and face masks. In 1994, they only had an annual production capacity of 120 million pieces of glove. Fast forward to today, they are now able to produce up to 10.4 billion pieces in annual production capacity. And currently, they have 5 manufacturing facilities located in Malaysia, Thailand, and China. And over here, we can see how their manufacturing facilities look like in Malaysia, Thailand, and China. The products that Riverstone Holdings manufacture fall under two main categories, which are Cleanroom Division and Healthcare Division. Under the Cleanroom Divisions, the products are gloves, finger cords, packaging bags, face masks, and wipes. For the Healthcare Divisions, the main products is glove. The customers of Riverstone Holdings can be found all across the world. And the companies that sources their products from Riverstone Holdings can be from industries such as the semiconductor, pharmaceutical, biotech, medical device, aerospace, optics, and the military. And on the left side are some of the companies that buys their products from Riverstone Holdings. These are companies such as your Seagate, Western Digital, and HGST. Over here, we have the breakdown by the product and the region in 2018. As their 2019 financial report is not out yet, so I'm just using the 2018. From this slide, you can see the revenue for the products in 2018. 94.5% is for the nitride gloves, and then the remaining percentage are for latex glove and other non-glove consumables. In terms of the region breakdown, you can see there's evenly break between Europe at 32.9%, Southeast Asia at 31.8%, and the remaining that takes up the remaining percentage. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you learned something new today. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, do check out the links in the description for our blog. I'll be creating videos about personal finance, lifestyle, company reviews, investment, and side hustles. You can also let me know what you want to watch, and who knows, I may do a video about it. Have a great day ahead, and bye-bye.